Flared-ST and XT, by generating 3D elements in front of the camera, as Flared2 does as well, had an issue that could arise when the user had an object from their scene positioned close to the camera. This would cause a sort of overlap between the object and the flare elements. There was no way to fix this. In Flared2, we worked within a much narrower space to prevent elements from being placed directly into the scene. But we also added a system called Close Range Scene that allows you to shift Flared's workspace closer to the camera's origin. You might wonder, why not always use it? The answer is that Flared2 works at its best as it was originally designed. When activating Close Range Scene, the flare slightly changes, and you may need to adjust some of its parameters to achieve the desired effect. So, it's best to use this feature only when necessary. Don't miss out, Flared2 is available for pre-order at a promotional price, only on Blender Market. Use the code FLAREDRULES to immediately get Flared-XT, the version currently on the market, and you'll receive Flared2 for free upon its release on November 7th. For more information, check the description below this video. Thanks.